How to add review to Shopify store from AliExpress. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can add review to Shopify store from AliExpress. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up your web browser, log in into your Shopify account. First of all, in order to import a review, you need to install the application. For that, go to apps. After that, you need to go ahead and tap on apps and seal. Once you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and tap on Shopify App Store. After that, you need to type in Judge Me. So this is the particular application that we are actually looking for. You'll need to click on it and install the application into your device. Once again, you'll need to install the application or tap on the install button. Now once you're done installing this particular application, now what you have to do is you need to make sure that you've already imported a product from AliExpress into your Shopify account. Now you'll need to install the other application. Once again, do the same procedure. Go ahead and open up apps. After that, go to apps and seal channel, which is located right at the bottom. Now you'll need to go to Shopify App Store, located in the top right hand side corner. Now you'll need to look for the application that is judge.me AliExpress review. So once again, do the same procedure. That is, you need to install the application. So click on install. After that, do the same procedure, tap on the install app button located in the top right hand side corner. Once the application is already installed, now you need to go ahead and tap on import all AliExpress review. You can do that as well, or you can just go ahead and tap on export the reviews to CSV files, so on, and tap on the next button. Now start importing, tap on it. After you've done that, you'll be able to see the import. Now click on import. And once again, tap on import review from AliExpress. Here you need to type in the link or the URL of that particular product that you've imported from AliExpress to Shopify. After that, you need to type or search for product name. And once you've done that, you need to click on import review, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see the review on your Shopify page. So that is how you can add review to Shopify store from AliExpress. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.